Well guys, I turned off all the lights. Starting from the other room. I hadn't sort of got to the kitchen, but I'd done this room where I've turned out Jack's light. I turned out Tessa's, but you'll see Tessa there. She's, or maybe, over there. She can see me. Yeah, and she's in that position of stick your hand in here and see what happens. I'm not doing that, but, and look at this. As I'm going to bed, I turn around. Who happens to be smiling at me through the glass? But Lily. But, again, she's not going to miss out. She's not going to have a lot of time out. She'll get a little bit of time out with me because I'm going to have a shower. But that's the only reason I'm letting her come out, is I've still got to have a shower. I've got to brush my teeth. So she can come and spend some time with me, and hopefully she's going. She's making her way over there. I don't think she'll stay there. I think she'll come on over to the glass. I don't know if I'm going to get away with actually not bringing her out. It would be wonderful, but I don't think so. No, it's not going to work, is it, Lily? If I wanted to ignore her, but it's not going to happen. She's going, oh, the door is opened. The door opened. Woohoo! Well, what do you think of that? Hey? Oh, what? What's up? Can't you see my hand? Can't you? I'm right here, darling. Are you coming? Are you coming? Okay. She see my hand. I'm still in Zoom. That's what she waits for, guys. She waits for her mum to put her hand out. Hang on, I'm going to go out of Zoom. Oh, this is difficult. But that's what she waits for. She waits for me. Don't you, Lil? You wait for Mum to put her hand out. She's funny. You know, it's not about... she could come out. Like, she could totally come out there. She doesn't. She waits for me to put that hand out. She climbs on my hand, and then she's as right as rain. But that's not what's happening. So I'm going to spin you around. Well, she doesn't know it yet, but I know it. Oh, I must look... I don't know what I must look like at this time of the night, but it is certainly time to go. Lily, down in the bathroom. And I'm going to put her around my shoulders. And we're going to head on. And you're probably not going to see very much once I kind of get out of this light, because it's dark down my hallway. So let's go, Lil. You ready for an adventure in the bathroom? Like I said, it's going to get dark. I've still got the kitchen lights to turn off, but I'll put you back on once we get to the bathroom. The bedroom. Well, yeah, before the bathroom. So where are we? You know where we are? Yes, she says, I know where we are, Mum. You're too heavy on my glasses, bub. So, I'll turn you around because she'll see the jungle gym. Well, hopefully she'll see the jungle gym. And she'll just make her way onto it. Because, yeah, that's what Lily does. I came in the bathroom, I go in the jungle gym, you brush your teeth, you have your shower, and I get some time to pretty much hang out. So, but I don't want to go in down. I know why she wants to go down, because she wants to go to the loo. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think the best part about actually the bathroom is she's really quite safe no matter where she goes in this bathroom. But it's nice and warm because the heat lamps are on. So yeah, it's a nice warm room for her to hang out in while I have my shower. And she won't really go under too far. She'll just explore while I do my shower. You just come on back up here, and when we go up into the other lounge, I will very briefly get a puppy pad for you, and that's what I'll do in case that toilet is on her mind. Well, Lily just went for a great big swim. Honestly, she did. She was right under that shower. I just grabbed the camera to show you, but she was right under in that shower, and yeah, she was happy. Well, she's all wet, as you can see, but the water is lovely warm, so yeah, she's having fun just doing what she's doing. But now she's all wet, which means I'm going to have to dry her off before she goes on home, of course. But as you can see, she's just going here, there and everywhere right now. And you know, it's a room she's comfortable in, because yeah, she's been here many times with me. Yeah, I couldn't just leave her home. It was more about I just couldn't leave her home. She's been in her enclosure for a couple of days digesting, and this is her routine. I've digested, it's been a couple of days, I'm ready to come out and get some exercise and go back to exploring like I always do. It is just how Lily is. My other snakes, not so much. Thank goodness in a way, because Lily just takes up so much of my time with this sort of thing, with exploring and wanting to be out all of the time. So that's a hair curler, which I used to curl my hair the other day actually, and I had completely forgotten that I actually had it, and it's brilliant. It is so quick and easy to use. That was what I used before my live stream. So it was, see, she'll turn herself sideways just to get in there. She is just, no, I don't want you going in there. Do you realise that you are all wet? Like, you are all wet? I've just blocked it off a bit. She's going, oh, how could you do that? I can't even block it off any more than what it already is, or I'm more blurred. You might ask why I have all this down here in my bathroom. Okay. Because one of my young boys is autistic, he will get up in the middle of the night and he will raid to where sometimes there's nothing left from an overnight feed. But not only that, he has a fixation for plastic bags. Like, such a fixation for them, and they all disappear. So I know it's weird, but I do have to put it all down here. There is nowhere else I can put it that it's safe without him searching high and low, and he just cannot get in here to get to them. So it's just a way of curbing him feeling terrible because he ate everything, and I'm telling him off for pretty much eating everything as well, or using all the plastic bags. I go to use them and there's none left, and it's a frustration from me and him feeling guilty, because he feels guilty too, because he knows he shouldn't, but he can't help himself. But anyway, Lily's enjoying climbing on them anyway. But anyway, yep, I'm going to get in that shower. She's just being extremely curious tonight, this girl. Well, that ain't going to support you. You do realise that? Well, what about this big box behind it? Will that support me? No. Not really. You're just going to make him schmozzle. So I don't care. Can I go up here? Is there anywhere to go up there? No. There isn't. Gosh, so much for getting in the shower, Lily. Like, honestly. Can I have my shower? Look at that face. But what? What? Where? How? Can I? Can't I? I'm going. I'm not going. Come on. You need to hop down. Now. Have you checked it all out up there? Are you happy? Is there anything there that you particularly interested in? Oh yeah, I'll go in this little... No, I won't fit. You won't fit, Lil. Okay, going down. Hopefully. Alright, I'm turning off. I need a shower. I need to go to bed. I'm tired, Lily. That works. Right. On now. Well, we're back in the lounge. And I don't think that Lily's going to be... Lily, I'm just trying not to be on her tail here. Be overly impressed about going home, but at least she's had some time out, which is better than no time out. I dried her off, so she's nice and dry, and her enclosure will be warm, so she's okay. She's just thinking, that wasn't very long out, Mum, but it's the best I can do at this particular time of the night. So hopefully she'll just be happy with the fact that she did get to come out for that little while, and maybe she'll curl up and go up in a hammock, but I doubt it. She's just come down to this door to see, yeah, if she can come on out, because this is a door that she comes out of more than she does up at this end. So, you know, for her, this is where she waits for me all of the time. But guys, it is time for me to go to bed. It's time for Lily to either curl up in a hammock or whatever she's going to do. And I'm going to say, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and take care of your snakes. And, you know, for me, it was, yeah, let her come down and have some time in the bathroom while I had my shower. Just to let her know that I know she's digested, and I know she wanted to come on out, and but that's not always practical. Of course, I'll be back up here. Well, it's sort of 10 o'clock, so I'll be back at about 12, and I'm generally back here between 2 and 3 o'clock, and then I'm up at 5:36, so I check on her a couple of times. I make sure she's okay and settled. So guys, ciao.